So this is the Active Messy Kids Stain Remover they sent us so we could show you. And I've got this spot on my carpet right here, which what I'm going to do is, it's been there for, I don't know how long, a while, probably a couple months, I would say. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray it, and then in about 3 to 5 minutes, we're going to blot it and kind of rinse it with some cold water and see if it does any good. So how about that? We'll give it a try and see what we think. We'll wait about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, it's been about, 5 or 6 minutes now. And let me look at the, yeah, about 6 minutes it looks like on the clock. And what I did was I have this little spot here that I just sprayed and with the Active Stain Remover here. And I actually just left the phone on the camera on the tripod here so that I would be just in the same spot. But what I did was I got this t-shirt rag and I just cut it damp, wet cloth here. So let's just see how that does. You can see that's kind of gray already. Of course, the carpet. This is a traffic area between the living room and the kitchen and the bathroom, so there's a lot of traffic through here and stuff, so who knows where that spot came from. And this is a trash can here, right here, so of course it's right here next to the trash can. Probably somebody missed. But that looks actually pretty good. I don't see the spot anymore. So I would say that worked. It's not just for carpet though. I mean, I just wanted to try it on this carpet spot, but you can use it on your laundry, on your clothes, on upholstery, on whatever you want, and it's safe around kids and pets and stuff. So that's pretty cool. I like that. So there's another one right over there I could do. So yeah, I like that. Good stuff. Thank you.